Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. In today's video what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a plantain quiche. So I'm going to use this plantain, and here I have some chopped celery, asparagus, chopped spinach. I have some cheese here, double cream. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the plantain to an angle, and then I'm gonna fry them. But also what you need a muffin pan. So here I just put butter in the muffin pan. Then I will take you through the process. So I'm gonna take the top and the bottom of the plantain. Let's give it a little score down. Take this off. And also have a garlic I'm going to put in it. So with this, you can hold it like this and cut it down. Slice it. Just be gentle. You can do that. Once you do it like this, turn this part down because it's a bit flat, and then you start very gentle. This is a very sharp knife and you don't want to play with it. You set it aside. You do that again. Take your time. You set that aside. And you do the same thing. So what I'm gonna do over here, I have some oil. So I'll put it in the oil, release it, down, release. So I'm going to fry these. Turn it. When it's ready, I'm going to put them in this, let them cool a little bit. So these are ready. So I'm going to get the other bits ready, like the filling. So back over here, I'm going to put the blade onto this. In this, I'm going to put the celery, asparagus, spinach, garlic, cheese, I'm going to put a bit of coarse salt in, some black pepper, Then I have some eggs, put it in. Double cream in. Then I'm gonna combine them together. Then we'll go to the next stage. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it around. So please try it and let me know what you think. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So I'm gonna try to get about 5, and the rest I'll just put it down in that. There you go. So that's what it looked like. Now I'm going to pour this in. And the rest I'll just put it in here. And then I'm gonna top it off with a cheese on top. And this is lovely. You can have this while watching movie. You can do it for function. You can use it as a starter. Whatever you choose to use it as. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes on 170, and then I watch it until it cooks. So stay tuned. That's them in the oven. Almost done. It's a peek in the oven there. Give it a couple more minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, the quiche just come out of the oven. So I'll just give it a couple minutes to go down. That's what they look like. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what they look like. So I'm gonna try to put a bit of salad in the middle to accompany it. So here I have some celery, carrot, onion, and some spinach. Just gonna put some in the middle. Just to go with it. bit of tomato on it. So there you go, guys. Quiche with a layer at the bottom, just plantain. There you go. That's what it looked like. I want to try, but it's very hot now. But thanks for watching, everyone. Peace be unto you.